What got me interested in the tutorial center was when I found out that Vanguard did offer private tutors and it was free, which kind of got my attention.
It's not just something that students should use as a last resort. Even students who are doing well in classes should come to the tutorial center, no matter where they are on the spectrum of their academic success.
They'll help you work ahead, they'll help you with your homework, they'll help you study for your tests. I got to ask and work with a student that did very well in those courses and they already know everything.
I like to let them know I'm a student too, I'm just like you, we can work through this together, and here's what's worked for me, maybe this can work for you. If not, let's reevaluate.
You may not notice it at first, but when you start seeing, like, say, your test scores or your homework grades, you'll probably realize how important the tutorial center really is.
To know that you really learned something, you have to pass it on.
I enjoy being a tutor because I want to be a teacher in the future. Every student's different.
I want to invest in other students, and it actually helps myself solidify some of the information that I learned. Affirm yourself that you actually know the material and you're able to pass it on to someone else.
I think if you are struggling in a class, and even if you're not, if you just want to get ahead, I'd recommend going to the tutorial center and signing up for a tutor. So they'll give you a lot of good study habits that'll help you in the future here at Vanguard.
The first step is always the hardest because you kind of feel like that, oh man, I'm not good enough, like why do I have to get a tutor, like am I dumb? But it's not that at all. It's literally you just asking for help.
I personally think tutoring is for everybody.